Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with the performance. At the heart of the IT13 is the Intel Core i9-13900HK, a top-tier 13th gen mobile processor with 14 cores, 20 threads, and boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz. This chip easily handles CPU-intensive workloads like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, software compiling, and heavy multitasking, all while maintaining excellent thermal efficiency in a small chassis. To support that power, the system comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, more than enough for creative workflows, virtual machines, development tools, or even large spreadsheet calculations. It's fast, stable, and upgradable, making it future-ready for heavy professional use. On the storage side, you're getting a 2TB NVMe SSD, giving you lightning-fast boot times, app launches, and large file transfers. Whether you're editing high-resolution video, storing massive datasets, or running applications that demand quick read/write speeds, this SSD delivers without compromise. For creators and multi-monitor users, the GEEKOM IT13 supports up to 4 displays at once, including 8K output via USB 4, DisplayPort, and HDMI ports. This makes it perfect for professional editing suites, trading setups, or high-efficiency multitasking with multiple apps open side by side. Even with all that performance, connectivity hasn't been sacrificed. You get Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast, low-latency wireless speeds, plus Bluetooth 5.2 for stable peripheral connections. There's also a full array of ports including USB 4.0, USB 3.2, HDMI, DisplayPort, and an SD card reader, giving creators quick access to footage and photographers instant imports from the field. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the IT13 is optimized for productivity and business features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and group policy management. Whether you're using it as a workstation, a conference room PC, or a compact server, it's secure, responsive, and enterprise-ready. Cooling is handled by a smart internal thermal system with ultra-quiet fans, ensuring that the machine stays cool even during extended workloads. And thanks to its efficient power draw, it's also a great eco-conscious solution compared to traditional tower desktops. The minimalist aluminum chassis looks sleek on any desk and takes up almost no space, but don't let its size fool you. This is a full-featured, pro-grade desktop PC in a mini form. To sum it up, the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC delivers desktop-class performance in a palm-sized package. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HK, 32 GB RAM, 2 TB SSD, 8K quad display support, Wi-Fi 6E, and Windows 11 Pro, it's one of the most powerful and versatile mini computers available today, perfect for professionals, creatives, and advanced home office users. Click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-performance desktop reviews, productivity tools, and mini PC tech just like this.